Hello beauties! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all of us: skincare. Our skin goes through so much, from battling dryness to those sneaky signs of aging. But guess what? We've got some incredible natural solutions up our sleeve that are about to change the game. And hold on to your seats, because there's an electrifying surprise waiting for you. Stick around to unveil the magic. Let's talk about the common skin problems we all face. Dryness and dehydration. The problem: dry, flaky skin caused by a lack of moisture. Solution: hydrate from within by drinking plenty of water and using natural moisturizers like aloe vera. Fine lines and wrinkles. The problem: unwanted lines and wrinkles that come with aging. Solution: infuse your skin with avocado oil's vitamins to combat fine lines and promote a youthful glow. Uneven texture. The problem: rough patches, enlarged pores, and an uneven skin surface. Solution: exfoliate with a honey and sugar scrub to reveal smoother, refined skin. Dullness. The problem: lackluster, tired-looking skin that's lost its natural radiance. Solution: revitalize your complexion with a citrus-infused facial mist. Breakouts and blemishes. The problem: unwanted acne and blemishes disrupting skin's harmony. Solution: utilize tea tree oil's antibacterial properties and maintain a balanced diet to combat breakouts. Sensitive skin sensations. The problem: skin that reacts easily to various products, leading to redness and discomfort. Solution: opt for gentle, hypoallergenic products and perform patch tests before introducing new skincare items. Hyperpigmentation woes. The problem: uneven skin tone and dark spots caused by sun exposure or hormonal changes. Solution: try brightening serums, vitamin C, niacinamide, daily sunscreen. For severe cases, consult a dermatologist for treatments like peels or laser therapy. Under eye shadows. The problem: dark circles and puffiness that can make you look tired. Solution: try eye cream with hyaluronic acid. Get sleep, stay hydrated, reduce salt. Cold compress or tea bags can help. The game-changing solution of all problem: Simpla 360 Micro-Capsule Replenishing Essence. As we tackle these skincare challenges, a true hero emerges: Simpla 360 Micro-Capsule Replenishing Essence. This innovative solution has harnessed nature's goodness and the power of modern science. Unlocking the all-in-one solution. Imagine a product that addresses not just one, but the entirety of skincare concerns. Simpla 360's micro-capsules penetrate deep, banishing dryness, targeting fine lines, evening skin tone, shielding against environmental stressors, and providing a spa-like experience, all in one bottle. Hold on tight, the lucky spin awaits. But here's where things get even more exciting. We're not just offering you a skincare revolution, we're adding a dash of thrill with the lucky spin. Get ready to spin your way to a chance of scoring an astonishing 50% discount on Simpla 360. It's time to let the wheel of fortune work its magic. But remember, the clock is ticking, and this electrifying spin offer comes with a limitation. Don't let the opportunity slip through your fingers. Your radiant skin awaits. Click the link I have added in the description to get up to 50% discount in Simpla 360. You will also find that link on comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your fellow skincare enthusiasts. Until next time, stay beautiful and embrace your glow. Bye.